Duda Timur village is in the Selat district of Karangasem Regency. Duda Timur village is located on a highland, so the air is cool and the trees always look green throughout the season. There is a well-known tourist object in this village, namely Jagasatru Waterfall, which is located in Dusun Pata. Access to the location of Jagasatru Waterfall requires quite a bit of extra effort because the place is rather difficult to access. Tourists must go through a path of about 1 kilometer to a rather steep hilly area. Jagasatru Waterfall has a height of approximately 40 kilometers with a water discharge that is not too big. Jagasatru Waterfall offers beauty, serenity, and exudes a spiritual aura because it is located far from the crowds. In addition, around Jagasatru Waterfall there is a statue of Brahma which has a height of approximately 31 meters with golden paint, which adds to the impression of luxury. The fee for the entrance ticket to Jagasatru Waterfall has not been implemented permanently, only in the form of voluntary donation from visitors.